From the entire FMLS team, we want you to know 5 big changes we made to help you. First, effective immediately, you can change the status of a listing to hold temporarily off market. There is no need to call us. You're in complete control. We also removed the 30-day limit for that status. And if you place your listing on hold temporarily off market, your days on market will not be counted while your listing was off the market. If you change a listing to hold temporarily off market, you'll need to enter a date to go active. This can be any date prior to the listing's expiration. You are not limited to a certain time frame. When you select a date, the listing will go back to active at midnight on that day. You can move any listings that are in the hold temporarily off market back to active or pending status at any time. There are no limitations. Second, we added the option to enter virtual open house information to your listings. They're live in Matrix now. Third, all of our CE classes are now available via webinar, so you can earn CE credits from home. Fourth, our 3 stores are open for online purchases, and you can even order your Supra e-keys and lockboxes online. And our customer support is fully open and available to all our members. We're all in this together, and FMLS is here for you.